National Investigation Agency has now arrested key aide who is linked to Amritsar temple grenade attack by Khalistani group. The National Investigation Agency has arrested a key associate in connection with the grenade attack on Thakurdwara Sanatan Mandir in Punjab's Amritsar district earlier this year. The suspect, Bhagwant Singh, also known as Manna Bhati, was arrested on Wednesday from Akalgarh village after evading authorities for more than 2 months. Singh's arrest marks the first fourth in the ongoing investigation into the March attack, which was claimed by the Khalistan Liberation Force, KLF, a proscribed terror organization. He is scheduled to be produced before a special NIA court on Friday for police custody. These are the latest inputs that we're tracking from the ground. Now, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Anshul. A very good morning, Anshul. Anshul, this is a critical breakthrough where the NIA has largely tightened the news around Khalistani terror networks. What more information are we getting on this front at this point of time?
Well, definitely, this is a part of a larger operation that is being conducted by the NIA, in which the anti-nationalists and Khalistanis who have been operating from outside the borders of the country and even from inside the borders of the country, the NIA is trying to reach them and make sure that this entire nexus is brought down. And now this is a massive development, as NIA has been able to arrest a key aide who was linked to the Amritsar temple attack, and this was done by a Khalistani group. So definitely this is being seen as a big success for the national investigating agencies. In fact, the authorities have, the NIA has also gone ahead and uncovered that the accused had received terror-related funds in his background. Not only that, but the accused Bhagwant Singh had knowingly given shelter to the attackers of this entire crime at a time when both of them were actually planning their assault, and after that, the manner in which they fled from there also, the accused Balwant Singh had helped them. So definitely the nexus is still being unearthed. The main accused is something that the NIA is looking for, but definitely a big step ahead for the National Investigating Agency in this entire matter.
Right, Anshul, but the NIA is now probing deeper into the entire logistics. What steps is the NIA taking next, and could we see more arrests in the coming days on this front?
Well, definitely, it is likely that more arrests could happen, since one of the ends of this entire syndicate has now been arrested. Now, once the interrogation starts after the NIA gets the custody from the courts, then definitely there could be information that could be picked up by the NIA regarding other people who might be involved, the larger nexus that might be involved, the fundings that has been happened. Because remember, as I mentioned, that NIA has been able to establish that the said person was actually receiving funds from terror-backed groups. So from where did these funds come? Who was the person who was in contact with him? Where did the accused go after planning the entire attack and after taking out the entire attack? So all these questions would be asked to the said accused. It remains to be seen if at all there will be much success that the NIA will be able to get. But definitely this is the arrest that has been made can be seen as a big step forward and some positive news for the NIA, especially at a time when this entire nexus of Khalistanis and gangsters out here in the state of Punjab is definitely getting a grip on things. But yes, the manner in which the NIA and local police agencies are working, definitely it is getting very difficult for them to go ahead and complete their tasks.
Indeed, Anshul, it indeed is a very difficult task, but this seems to be a major breakthrough in this entire case. Now, how significant is the arrest in the broader context of India's crackdown on Khalistan terror networks?
Network 18 is now the clear leader in digital media, with 55% more users on native platforms and social media than Times Internet. Network 18, the undisputed leader of news networks, way ahead of the times.